Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make passive income with just one video on YouTube. Yes, you heard that right, just one video. So, if you're interested in learning how to make money while you sleep, then keep on watching. What is passive income? First, let's talk about what passive income is. Passive income is money that you earn without having to actively work for it. It's the dream for many of us, right? Well, the good news is that it's possible to make passive income on YouTube. The strategy. So, here's the strategy. You're going to create a high-quality, evergreen video that provides value to your audience. This video should be focused on a topic that people are actively searching for on YouTube. Once you've created this video, you're going to optimize it for search engines and make sure it's easily discoverable by your target audience. How to optimize your video? To optimize your video, you want to make sure that you're using relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags. You also want to make sure that your thumbnail is eye-catching and click-worthy. And finally, you want to make sure that your video is engaging, informative, and provides value to your viewers. Monetization options. Now, let's talk about the different ways you can monetize your video. The first and most obvious way is through ads. YouTube has a built-in ad network that allows you to earn money through ad revenue. The more views and engagement your video gets, the more money you can earn from ads. Another way to monetize your video is through affiliate marketing. You can promote products or services related to your video topic and earn a commission on any sales that result from your promotion. Lastly, you can use your video to promote your own products or services. If you have a business or offer a service, you can use your video to drive traffic to your website or sales page. Conclusion. So, there you have it. How to make passive income with just one video on YouTube. Remember, creating a high-quality, evergreen video that provides value to your audience is key. And optimizing your video for search engines and promoting it to your target audience will help you maximize your earnings potential. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.